Start a conversation in Google Chat right inside Gmail. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open Gmail. If you're on a computer, the quickest way is to go to your browser and head to the Gmail website. You can also use a saved bookmark if you have one. Give the page a moment to load so everything on the dashboard appears correctly. Next, sign into your Google account. Use your usual credentials and complete any security prompts you may see. Once you're in, you'll land on your inbox. This is the home base where you can see your messages and the main navigation. Now, take a look at the left sidebar. This is the vertical panel that lists your inbox, starred messages, and other sections. If the panel looks narrow or hidden, move your cursor toward the left edge, or click the small toggle to expand it so you can see all the labels clearly. The sidebar is where Google groups your communication tools, making it easy to switch between email and chat without leaving Gmail. Find the section labeled Chat. It typically appears below your main mail labels and near other collaboration tools. You're looking for the word Chat, which represents Google Chat integrated directly into Gmail. This is what allows you to send quick messages to individuals or small groups without opening a separate app. Click Chat to open it. When you do, the main area will shift to show your recent conversations, or it may prompt you to start one if you haven't used it before. You'll notice a clean layout with a list of chats on the left and the conversation pane on the right once you select one. This unified view is designed to keep your email and messages side by side for faster multitasking. From here, select a conversation or start a new one. If you already see the person or group you want to message, simply click that conversation to open it. If you're beginning a new chat, look for the New Chat option or the search field at the top of the chat section. Type the name or email of the person you want to reach. Choose the correct contact from the suggestions, and a new chat window will open. You're now ready to type your message and continue the conversation right within Gmail. And that's it. You've opened Gmail, signed in, located the chat section on the left, clicked into it, and either selected an existing chat or started a new one, all without leaving your inbox.